Okay, here we are at Roger's Freestyle Machine Shop. We're going to do a little video on the little Schaublin lathe, which is about as fine a piece of equipment as a person can own. And you can see my setup here. I've got the overhead little belt system running the little drilling milling attachment, and we'll get a little closer on that if we can. And we're drilling some holes in the little brass thing there. We're wanting 6 holes in the side. Just something we're playing around with. And this is the overhead belt system, and in the back you can see the little jack shaft that I run the lathe with, which I have the belt off from that. And we've got a bezel chuck in the lathe, and we're using a little indexing head right here with this pin to index the holes. And that's about it. So let's see if we can't crank this thing up and drill a couple holes. And I'm going to put you back in the holder, and hopefully we're not going to wiggle it around too much. And let's see what that does. Okay, we're going to turn this thing on. Oops, we got this thing locked. Oops, no, that's supposed to be like that. Alright, so we're going to make that 2 holes. There we go. We'll lock it in there, and we'll drill our hole. Schaublin lathes are, this is a Schaublin 70. Yeah, I don't know, probably from the 40s or 50s. Been around a while. But if you like making chips fly, it doesn't get any better than this. And we're going to come around here and stop on 0, which we've got it set at. Well, I just kicked the camera, so let's see where we're at on that. Yeah, not too bad. Zoom in a little bit. See if we can get it to focus. Alright, so we'll unlock that. Turn it 1, 2 spaces. Lock it in. Drill the hole. I've got this little Schaublin mounted on a jewelry maker's bench, and it works out pretty good. I couldn't find a watchmaker's bench, so we're using a jewelry maker's bench. It's doing a good job. There we have it. Let's see here. Move this stuff out of the way. And take this thing back out. Zoom back out. And you can see the little jewelry maker's bench. And it's got a chip tray down here to catch all the valuable chips and save them. And there you are. There's some of my tooling that I have for the little Schaublin. I got quite a bit of stuff. I guess you've seen some of my other videos. But anyway, we mounted it on this thing here, and it's working out quite well. Very nice. Well, thank you for watching. Remember, you're better off to do it poorly than not at all.